Welcome back to your practice. Today, we grow one quality together: kindness, a warm and open heart. In the next 10 minutes, we'll understand it, practice it, and find one way to carry it into your day. So let's begin right now. A slow breath in and a long, soft breath out, letting your heart soften. I'm glad you're here. Let's grow together. Let's begin with a simple picture. Imagine a single candle burning softly in the dark, and with its flame, it lights another candle, and then another. The whole room grows brighter and brighter. And yet, the first flame loses nothing. It gives all of its light away and still burns just as bright. Kindness is like this: a warm word, a small act, a silent wish for someone's happiness. It costs you nothing, and it can light up someone's whole day. And here is what we so often miss. The first person to feel the warmth of a kind heart is the one who carries it. When you truly wish someone well, it is your own chest that warms first. Kindness is not weakness, and it is not just being nice. It is a strength that you can grow, like a muscle. We often think we must wait to feel kind before we can act, but it works the other way too. We can choose to light the lamp, and the warmth follows. And it begins with yourself. You cannot pour warmth from an empty cup, so we start by warming our own heart. And then we let the circle widen to those we love, to those we barely know, and even to those we find hard. So that is our practice today: to light the lamp of a kind heart and watch it lose nothing as it gives. So, let us begin. Find a position that feels steady and at ease. Let your hands rest, open and soft, and gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through the nose and a longer breath out, letting your shoulders fall. Let your face soften, your jaw, the space around your eyes, and let a gentle, easy warmth settle into your chest, around the heart. We begin with the one person we are hardest on, ourselves. Bring to mind your own face, as if seeing a good friend, and silently offer these warm wishes. May I be well. May I be at peace. May I be kind to myself. May I be happy. You don't need to force a feeling. Just let the words be like a warm hand resting on your own heart. Breathe in the warmth and breathe it a little deeper into yourself. And if it feels hard to wish yourself well, that's all right. Many of us find this the very hardest. You are not doing it wrong. Just plant the words gently, like seeds. They don't have to bloom today. Now, let the circle of warmth widen. Bring to mind someone you love, someone easy to care about. Picture them clearly and offer them the same warmth. May you be well. May you be at peace. May you be happy. Now, someone who has been kind to you, someone who once helped you in a small way or a large one. Let warmth and gratitude flow back toward them. May you be well. May you be happy. May good return to you. Now, someone you barely know, a neighbor, a stranger you pass today. They too want to be happy, just as you do. May you be well. May you be at peace. May you be happy. And now, if you feel ready, someone you find difficult. You don't have to approve of them, only to wish them peace, for your own heart's sake. May you be well. May you find some peace. And finally, let the warmth spread out in every direction, with no edges, to everyone, everywhere. May all beings be well. May all beings be at peace. Feel your own heart glowing, having given so much warmth and lost none of it. For these last few moments, there is nothing to do but rest in the warmth you've made. Notice how good it feels simply to have wished others well. This warmth is always here. You can light it any time with a single kind thought. And the more you give it away, the more it grows. Just breathe and let your heart stay soft and open. The practice is complete. Notice how you feel now compared to a few minutes ago. Perhaps a little warmer, a little softer, a little more open. Here is how to carry this into your day. Today, silently wish one stranger well. Someone in a queue, a passing driver, a face in a crowd. Just think, may you be well. They will never know, but you will feel it. And that is how a kinder heart is built. One small wish at a time. And if this practice brought you something, you can subscribe, and we'll grow another quality together soon. In a moment, let your eyes open, slowly, and carry this warm, open heart into whatever comes next. May peace find you, and may your kindness light many lamps and never once run out.